Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Life Project channel. Yes, let's go. Okay, so here in the garden, going to pick up some lemons for the robotic video, and let's go check out the chickens how they are. Okay, we actually got away and technique so that we could get the older chicken, like the non-sociable chicken that didn't want nothing to do with new chickens. We got a way to like get it together, so it was actually very cool because we were tired of having her in a different place. It's getting cold now, so it's good that they're all together. And yes, a bunch of things going on, so I know I haven't been posting like every 2 days, videos, um, because I've been trying to finish also the machines for work, so I'm trying to like cope with everything. But yes, soon I'll have a bit more time to dedicate more to the channel. Like, I already am super dedicated to the channel, okay, 100%. Just have to like get more videos out there instead of one a week, So yeah, so this will be a video for the main channel. Then we got the robotic video also coming out, so it will be 2 videos already. Okay, so yes, let's do it. So yes, here are the chickens. There you go. Hello, little babies. Oh yes, little babes. Okay, they're so friendly. Yes, and now the sheep are also calling us. Here's the oldie. How you doing? Are you getting along with them? Hey? Oh man, wasn't easy, but the technique is what? During the night, okay, when they're all sleeping, you put the chicken that doesn't get along with them, and when they wake up in the morning, they end up getting used to the other chickens. So that's how she became friendly with them. So I had to boot her like for 3 nights in a row. Let them roam during the day, and then during 3 nights in a row, boot her there while they're all inside and it's dark. And when they wake up, they think they've been together the whole day. So they have like this short memory loss, when they fall asleep. So yes, that was the technique, and we got them all together. So how you all doing? Let's go and eat, my little babies. They are so beautiful. Look at all these beautiful colors. Look at that. This one's also very beautiful. So have you been eating? Come. Yeah? Yes. So yeah, the grass actually started to grow, so that's cool. No mud or anything, so it's really going well. Okay, little chickies, now you're big enough, you can come outside and roam during the day, because when they're small, the hawks, you have to be careful. Now the hawks don't really feel attracted to them this size. They're quite small, the hawks, yeah. They aren't big, They aren't like eagle size, like big things. So yes, this is working out perfectly. Where they sleep, always dry, food always dry, water always clean. I'm happy. So now I'm gonna get some lemons and go see how the sheep are. Yes, let's go. Meh. Communicate with sheep. Come here, little ones. I need to get some lemons. Hello, little boy and girl. There you go. Chow. Chow time. There you go. The male is a bit shy. Yes. It's different than grass, hey? Having vegetables. There you go. Wow. So the male is actually the white one, and the female is the brown one. The brown one is the one that was born here while I was working on the wall, which I haven't finished the fence yet. Haven't had time. Just have to put like a horizontal cement line just to keep it even stronger, the wall, and put the fence. Oh, little girl, okay. She's actually so nice. She let us pet her and everything now. So cool. Yeah, I don't have any more. Do you have more for them?
More what?
They want more cabbages. So I'm going to get the lemons from here. We need 5 lemons. Yes, let me get to it. We got already a lettuce here. Okay. I'm going to have to go up. I need to get more. Okay, here we go. Okay. Put it up there. Yep. Whoa. Okay. Alright, now I got the sun in my eyes. I'm just going to pull it down like that. Okay, I got it. Oh, okay, one. Okay. Get that one there.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. So we got enough lemons. Yes. Okie doke, everyone. So, new project. Bumped up machine. As you can see, a lot of cleaning is going to be going on with this one. What else? Got to redo all the electronical parts. It's quite beautiful, isn't it? It looks like it's snow in here, but it does snow. Oh man, let me get some lights. Yep, check it out. Beautiful. Vintage dust layer. Hello, Sasha. You want to say hello to everyone? Very good, my girl. And yep, it's not actually very bad shape. Resistors are good. Transformers always take a beating. They're very strong. They know how to take a beat up. And wires are good. Pneumatic system I gotta redo because there's something weird going on here. I don't think this is using this. It has that electro valve right here, new one. It's not electro valve because it actually doesn't have coils. The coils are here separated, so I have to check out how that works. And painting the interior is actually very good, just needs a big cleanup. Then we got this buttons are good, needs new boxes. I don't think I can clean these ones up good enough. I'm gonna still see, not sure. Have checked the cylinders, see if they're all good, no leaks. It's actually got 2 cylinders, or it's one with 2 guides, I'm not sure, I gotta see. And then on the panel's looking actually good. I have to redo this amp meter, it's all scratched up, this one as well. Timers, I don't know if we're going to change these timers. Are we going to change these timers? Okay. The lights are good, but this button is worn out, so we have to change this one. Got to change that yellow one as well. This one here. I'm facing against the sun, that's why it's being hard to take the video, so I'm using this light to help out. These buttons are good of the tuning. This milliamp meter is also good. Our meter has to disappear because it's going to be all refurbished. Then we have counter, it's working. Yep, good. This plate is too big, so we're gonna have to remove this heated plate. It's too big for this machine for what it's gonna do. So all this from here to here, all this is going to come out. and we're going to put a modified plate, smaller one, heated plate. This is going to go out. We're going to remove this, and we're going to make a smaller heated plate because this is too big for what it's going to be used for. So yes, this is good. Got to see if all the pneumatic system is working, no leaks. Got the air filter, good. Don't have to make a new one. This regulator, I don't know if it's good or not. Normally when they're this old, they give problems, so I'm also going to have to check that, see if it's all working. And then inside here, just going to take this lid out and check it out. Okay, so got this lid open. Actually, it looks pretty good. The aluminium is good. We got a high voltage capacitor right here. That's actually quite big, as you can see right there. But it all looks good. Doesn't look bad. At the bottom we have a lot of dust right here. This is our anti-spark circuit. We got our rectifiers here, our high voltage transformer. So I think it's from 2002, this machine. I think so. It looks like it's stayed exactly how it came out from factory, hey? See how strong this transformer is. What do we have here? We have 6 kVA, hey?
Yeah. What's this in you?
6.3. Yeah. So this will give like what, almost 6,500 volts. Give like almost 7,000 volts, yeah. And we have the only thing, oh yeah, we do have lettering. 6,000. Here it's actually 6,000. I can't really read it. 6. I think it gives 8,000. That's what it says here. It's weird, but that's what it says here.
Wait. What is 8,000 then?
Let me just see here. Here. Let me just put the camera down. Okay, so yes, we do have output of 8,140 volts if we choose it through here. Okay, so we have 6,000 on these ones, that's what's being used, and 8,000 on these ones right here. Quite interesting. Then we got all our inputs that we can choose from down here. So yes, it's actually much more powerful than I thought, this transformer. Then we got our fan over there. We opened up here the filter, and this garbage was in the filter. I don't know why, so much hoses and stuff. So I know that looking at these machines might not seem a lot for you guys or confusing, but imagine it's a car, but it's a machine, you know. So this is the filter. They have this plastic sheet so that dust doesn't go into the machine. Although it's a filter, I don't know why it's covered in here, as you can see. I think it's just to like make sure that all the air goes into the induct of the fan, you know, so that all the pressure goes straight onto the electron tube. That's why they cover that. They didn't want to make a hole just for that, so they decided to do it like this. Could have made a hole on the metal bit of like a lid over here, a steel lid, and bit of hole for the filter, and the rest could have still be filtered up the machine. But anyways, there's still a lot of dust here, so I don't know how so much dust came in here if this is all covered up. It's weird. It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
How the machine got full of dust, being all covered up. Textile companies, they have a lot of dust. It's crazy. From all the clothing production. So yeah, now I'm going to open up the top cover and start cleaning this up. Then I'll show you guys the difference before and after, how it stays. And on the top here we have more. See, look at that, beautiful snow dust. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this whole thing up. Still got all the original stickers information. It's amazing. It's like just stopped in time, you know. I guess they had problems with the machine and they didn't use it much. Eh? They must have had problems with this machine and didn't use it much.
Yeah.
Because you can see it's not used. Okay, let's go. Let's get to it. Okie doke, everyone. So, as you can see, the before and now the after. So yes, all cleaned up, all polished, painted, bit of beautiful red around the table, painted this whole plate. We had to redo this whole plate here. Thermometer, handles. This is copper that we then have to pass it through heat so that it becomes harder. That's why it gets like this beautiful color, like because it's brass. Okay, so it's like soft enough so that you can bend it in the way you want, and then you just harden it up with heat, and it loses the memory and just becomes like this, you see, stiffer, so that it will be like a spring effect. This for ground. But yes, looking very nice. What do you guys think before and after? So this is what we do, you know. Beautiful shiny paints. Got almost all the stickers in place. Still reuse this pneumatic regulator system because it's actually good quality. Decided to keep it. The pressure here is seen over here with this manometer right there. Also cleaned up the filter and modified it so that it's easier for the client to just substitute this foam that's inside, because it was just grid. It had like 15 of these layers of this grid, aluminium grid, and that should be like almost impossible to clean. So like that, they take this out and there's a foam in here, they just substitute. Much easier. Always like to have the rotation of the fan so that in case they change phase, it's not a problem. Also got this all cleaned up, as you can see, all revised, fixed everything that had to be fixed, and yes, looks like a brand new machine, but it's not. But that's what we do, you know. It's just like restoring a car. Got all the logo and all the writings on the buttons, which you have to have. I still have to put some more here. This is the front panel, if you can remember this was all like scratched and everything. Look how beautiful it is, and so crystal transparent. You can see the numbers now, before you couldn't, if you guys remember. You just have to see the video from the beginning. Actually never polished this, but polished this, then I'll show you guys with the machine and what I used. So it just became like crystal transparent. heats up and just polishes the brush that I used. Also polish the timers, make sure everything's working. Yes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So it's got like even a hand protection. Okay, so if I touch here, gives an alarm and it doesn't allow the press to come down or move. Then you just got to do reset. So it's a hand protection system. Very good. And yes, now let me show you on the top parts. Got everything polished, everything painted, renewed as well there. Then also got this all refurbished inside. Remember, you could even see inside here. Now look at it, guys. I can see everything, the numbers, everything. So quite cool. And also got these covers also painted. Actually dirtied here a bit, so I'm gonna have to just retouch this with paint over here. Just two little marks, I'll retouch that. But yeah, this is why I didn't do any videos. I've been late on the videos because I had to finish this machine for a client. This is where the bread comes on the table every day from this work. So yes, quite cool. What a difference, I guess. I like to do this with cars one day to also be cool. Just like the UMM, the 4x4. Also did this. And yes, let's go. And now I just have to do some finishes. Get this cover. I'll see if the client wants me to deepen it up a bit or not, and see what he wants to do. And yes, get the confirmation and get it delivered, and do some finish ups and safety stuff. That's it. Let's go. Okay, so today we have fish. Just let the fish marinate. So you ask on the shops already to open it like this, or you just do it yourself. And then you just marinate with some spices, and then just put it on the barbecue. A beautiful meal. Okay, so that it's not always meat. Put some spices, some good wine, let it marinate. Very nice. Supper's almost done. Let's go.